Hello guys, welcome to Haunted Zombie Beginner Series Part 8. In this lecture we will learn about audio, and there are three components which is compulsory for audio to play in Unity 3D. The first one is audio listener, the second one is audio source, and the third one is audio clip. First of all, I will talk about audio listener and audio source. The audio listener acts as a microphone like device. It receives input from any given audio source. So audio source is compulsion in the scene and plays sounds through the computer speakers. For most application, it makes the most sense to attach the audio listener to the main camera. So let's go and check it. Okay, now go to main cam and you will see here is audio listener, and just one audio listener will be for one scene. Like this is the haunted zombie scene, and all scene contains just one audio listener, and audio sources can be more than one. So I have created here audio source for background sound and one audio source here is for jump. So let's go to desktop and drag the sounds. Okay, first of all I will drag the sound here, and the second thing, play on awake will be checked and loop will be checked because it's a background sound. Now go to player script. I will place here jump but with the code, and I will uncheck it. So now let's go to player script and create a audio clip variable. Now I will create the audio source to get a reference to audio source. And to get a reference like old way, like anim and RB, I will write here audio source equal to get component and audio source. Okay, when the user will press a key, then jump, play one shot means one key press and one jump sound, and here will be jump sound, jump SFX. Okay, let's go to Unity. You can listen, the background sound is working in loop. I will volume down, the volume is already down 0.45. Now when I will press a key, the jump sound will work. No working, why? Let's go to player. Okay, the clip is not here. I will attach the clip here. Now I will check it. Okay, now it's working. It's a cool sound, isn't it? Okay, today lecture is done. Today lecture was very simple about audio, how we can play an audio in Unity 3D. When you will practice it, then you can get a lot. Now please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please stay tuned with me for more advanced techniques. Goodbye for now.